The America's Cup is all about time. There's teams with massive budgets, there's teams with smaller budgets. You can have money, but you can't have more time. And working with Creaform has helped us save time in some areas where there's no other way to do something. And that's really the only thing that can't be bought in an America's Cup campaign. And so Creaform has really helped us cut time in some areas, which means that we can design for longer and also train out on the water for longer. We have this toolkit, for example, which enables us to fix any problem that might happen out in the water instantaneously. So that's if, for example, something breaks on a training day, we can come back in, scan it, print it, fix it, send the boat out for training the next day. Or if something were to break during racing, when we have to go out and race the next day, we have the technology and the potential to fix whatever that part is and race and win the America's Cup. Every time we go out sailing, we learn something. So the more time that we can spend out sailing, the more likely we are to win the America's Cup. And thanks to Creaform, we are taking every day.